Partnering with any university has endless benefits and opens up so many different opportunities to your public school. Again, it makes us better practitioners. It ensures that we are relevant and that we are also at the same time practicing those research-based strategies, that we are evolving and progressing just as our students are with meeting their needs.
We have integrated classrooms. So when you have an integrated classroom, there's the typical student, the at-risk student, and the special needs student. And one of the things we see that those students succeed in their test scores, and not that we love thinking about all the test scores, but really the genuine, authentic performance of those students in their classrooms when they go to kindergarten, first grade, third grade is enhanced.
The other thing is flexibility that we have because of the dual licensure, and that is just so important. And when we're looking at a pool of candidates and they have that dual licensure, it's just such a bonus to have high quality candidates come through the door, and that's what we seek out.
Honestly, at first, my dream was first grade. I was set on first grade. I believe it was my sophomore year at Bowling Green. I was placed in a first grade classroom once a week, and I loved it. But then at the Bowling Green's job fair, Toledo Public Schools, where I had an interview with them, and they were hiring for this dual major. It was the licensure of the inclusive program, and they were all about it, and I was so eager to have a job, and it was in Toledo, and that's where my family is, so location was big for me. But it was just the perfect timing, and I love it.
We provide these teacher candidates an opportunity to see co-teaching implemented with fidelity in a really ideal classroom environment.
It's a lot to take on. You're taking on 2 students, and you already have the responsibility of teaching all your kids in your classroom, doing assessments, following up with their IEPs, to take on 2 more students that you're meeting with and you're checking in on. But we just know that we needed placements when we were students, and we needed great placements, and we needed placements that showed us inclusion, because that's what our degree is. So we needed solid placements and CMTs, the classroom mentor teachers, to give us that experience, and I wouldn't want to take that away from anyone who's trying to learn and stuff. Yes, could be shown as extra work, but I need them to be in placement so that they can be great teachers as well and succeed from this program.
Because we are dual certified through DG, I'm able to get both the intervention side and gen ed side when we push in. So if I was just in the intervention room, but one day get a job in gen ed, sometimes I fear that I would lack the classroom management skills I need, but when we go into the kindergarten classroom, we go into the second grade classroom, I am able to see both sides.
The benefit of being a mentor is to be able to share, my experience with my student teacher and let her learn sooner from mistakes than what I did.
She's very experienced, 19 years.
Just sharing that experience and having someone to team and collaborate with on a daily basis is wonderful. And obviously the benefit of us also having students is that it provides a more ideal student to child ratio, which is priceless.
I'm not afraid to stand in front of the class and try something new, because I know that she's going to give me feedback, and it's okay. She's not here to hurt me. She was once in my spot, and there's a reason she's my mentor, because she's good, and so I need to take her advice. And I learned off of our relationship that she's going to help me be a great teacher.
Oh, yeah. You're always growing. I tell Nikki, I've been teaching for 19 years, but I'm still learning, still trying new things, still, making mistakes and learning from my mistakes. And that growth mindset is really a big part of our culture here.
What we've done is we've taken 2 of our classroom teachers and have allowed them a year to come to the university and to teach in the classroom to directly impact the students who are pursuing a degree in education. And so you now have a practitioner at the K-12 level working with students who that is their aspiration. And the benefit for us is that while they're here, they're also doing some research that they'll be able to bring back some professional development to our district. So it's a win-win for both sides, and certainly a tremendous example of the partnerships that we're building.